And on these 5 components, he taught to build the personality. So, very clear. अब कैसे he introduced the where do sins come from. देखा बंदे को पता ही ना हो चोर कहाँ से आ रहा है, कैसे दरवाजे बंद करेगा, उसके साथ क्या हो रहा है, where the enemy is coming from, and where he should bring the goodness in him. So he clarified very profoundly. If as you can see screen पे आप देख सकते हैं 7 अज़ा का तल्लक दिल व दिमाग से, the relationship of 7 organs with the mind. Previously people they talked about this, but they were not brought together in relation, although in a hadith these were actually present, but in a diagrammatic, in an understanding, in simple methodology, he in one page brought together that ye 7 organs hai. So the one of the body is to be built upon these actually, and transformed and self-developed on these 7 organs. You can use your tongue in the prophetic way or represent the attributes of Allah or not. Hands similarly, ears similarly, stomach, eyes either reflect the sifat of Allah or reflect the sifat of shaitan. So he said how to stop it. Then he taught the method how one by one that firstly control the tongue. This is fitna, door of fitna, all fitna, and door of goodness it can be as well. The tongue. All the fasadat mostly start with this actually. Others organ then follow actually. So Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam emphasized so much so one cannot even mention the number of hadiths how it's mentioned. So this he clarified the how to purify and mention the body in this way. Then secondly, so transforming the body either as you can see, you can use the prophetic way, the divine teaching can reflect, or actually shaitanic teaching on the left actually. It's up to you. So same idea, same concept is carrying on, the acting out the divine attributes, living the prophetic qualities. Same, there is nothing different. Similar, what started from the beginning, that's what's happening.